When you touch down in Jamaica, the therapy begins. The warm smiles, that spiritual energy. It's like something different. It's out of this world. The feeling, the old spiritual feeling, you feel differently. By the time my guest comes here for a massage, most of the work already done. Coming for a massage is just like the icing on the cake. Sure, you can get a treatment anywhere in the world, but you got to feel that positive energy for the technique to work. That's what makes us different. That's what makes us unique. That's what makes us Jamaica. We got that positive vibe that people need. I think it's a luxury for you to get a massage here because, you know, it's 100% for you. It's your way of saying, hey, I worth it. And you know, I think you're worth it too.